Welcome back to the Potties Adventures. Here's now another episode today. It's beautiful skies, blue weather, no rain. Today's episode will be the top coat. Well, the white top bit that needs to be done. It's the last episode, it was the grey. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, stay tuned. Yeah, look a bit dirty. So I sanded the boat for 240 just to get that, you know, that roughness away from the primer. And then I went around with a wet sand 400. I didn't really want to video that too much because it was a good hour to go through and sand it all. But yeah, this is how it's come up. So the next part is washing it with water, because you'll see there is that chalk now, because that's that top of the primer. And then go through the whole boat, wax and grease remover, just let it fully dry, and then start get the top coat on. Alright, here we go, have a look. See that? Super smooth, full of chalk. With my finger, a little bit behind. Wet sanding, so good. It will come off. You can see now, super smooth. Alright, so the whole boat is done like that. On top there. Dirty. Alright. I'm going to give it a good wipe down with water. done my top coat mixture, the white. So it is all washed now. It just needs a wipe over with the wax and grease remover, because I can just feel just a little bit on my hands. Remember, you want it super clean. Okay. So while that sits now for 10 minutes, this has got to wait for 10 minutes. I'll jump up in the cab because I'm going to do the cab first. I'll give that a wipe down with the wax and grease remover. And then I'll do the outside. So I've done the top coat, had to add some thinners with it, had a bit of problems. Came out a bit splotchy because the paint was thick. Looks like the top coat is a lot different than that shadow grey I had. The white top coat, sorry. Just came out splotchy, and then for some reason the air compressor started having a lot of water. I've got a water trap. I've actually got 2 water traps. So there was a little bit of water what came out. But yeah, that's easy fix. This is only the first top coat. Now the second top coat, I'm going to make sure that it's 100% perfect. For some reason this white top paint job was a little bit more difficult for some reason. I don't know. It was just against me. But I will show you how it looks like, and yeah, the second coat will be even better. Still very super glossy. Everything does look in place. Like I said, there was a bit of issues before, where I'll show you. All in there. Nice. Back. And I'll show you the little bit of issues what I had. So when I was painting, a bit of water went there. So I just got to give that little fine rod back tomorrow. And here. It's not a run, it's just when I was spraying up the top, this has come down. Shine, jeez. Not painting that because there's going to be some work done. So there you have it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Day 2 will be the last of it. Morning YouTube, day 2. Welcome to the Potties Adventures. So I've come in here this morning. Paint is nice and dry. I can see all the little droplets from the paint gun yesterday because I had a lot of issues with the paint gun. So I'm going to show you how you can actually fix that. Lucky it's only the first of the top coat, so the second coat hopefully should go very smoothly. But yeah, I'll just show you how to fix it. Okay, gonna take off the mask. There we go. That's how it looks like. Definitely needs the bow rail, the gunwale on it, just to finish it off. Just primed the bottom of the hull, just because the top was red. I didn't want to sand that little bit down there, so I'll sand that in the next couple of days, and I'll just quickly roll that bit with some primer, and then do one more coat of primer, get a light sand, and then yeah, two coats of the white top coat. So there you have it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the spray build of the Voyager. If you got stuff out of it or just enjoyed me doing it, which is always good. Oh, look at my hands. That's what happens when you do painting, especially 2-pack. Try and put thinners on that, and kind of gets it off, but not all of it. So yeah, the next part, what I'm going to do will be the fit out. So that will be like putting the gunwale on, putting the bow rail on, putting all the gauges in, the GPS, the hard drive system, hard drive meaning the hydraulic system. So yeah, if you can give me much support as you can, hit a subscribe. You know, the channel only grows bigger when you guys getting more interest with it, and obviously I'll start to do more things. So yeah, thanks very much for what I have at the moment, and see you next time.